You are in for a treat. An entire day dedicated to making your own elk and cedar drum. This 18-inch massive drum. It's 18 inches of elk. And then also this deer lace that you will learn how to create as a dream catcher and be able to attach all the things that are very sacred and special to you. And even that, you get a birch and deer skin drumstick. So you will be able to use this for meditation, for journeying, for healing people, just with your intention, moving it over somebody. They actually get all those healing energies through the sound. Also, a technique that you can use for drum is by putting and emitting your voice into one area of the drum, and it projects on the back side. So if you want to sing or chant, you're able to send all those energies through the drum as you beat it for really intense healing or manifestation, such as this. And in this retreat, you'll actually be journeying to the elk spirit, asking its permission to receive its sacred use and energies of stamina, of protection, of guidance and connection to Mother Earth. And also the deer lace, the innocence of pure unconditional love. And also the purity of birch and the protection of cedar. All of these energies are infused into your sacred drum. You will also go through a medicine wheel journey, and our medicine is made of pure crystal quartz that we found here on the property. You will also eat traditional ancestral food from the Native Americans. We will take you on a complete journey of healing the body, mind, and soul, and it's connected to the winter solstice. So you can go into the deepest, darkest depths, transmuting the deepest parts of your shadow self into light, and letting the internal flame burn all through the winter. Through this incredible astrological event, we'll be calling in all those energies, and you will birth your own sound medicine into this drum to help all